I got married. I had kids, and the problem was I didn't want to leave my kids and go to school for 3 years. An opportunity knocked on the door where Rutgers came in to Johnson & Johnson, and they said, we're rolling out a new program in spring of 2015, which is called the Supply Chain Management Program, which is completely online. And it blew my mind because I have been working in the supply chain field for 10 years. And I said, why not do masters in supply chain management? I was a little bit hesitant because I'm not a online kind of a person. I was more of like a classroom person, but that was not the case. You log in and the lectures were uploaded. You had a whole week to review your homework. The teachers were very responsive, which was amazing. I was like, I don't get that response when I'm like in class, right? And the amazing part was the connection with different people. In one class, I had a student from California, and one of my fellow classmates was actually from Germany. So how amazing is that? You're doing your master's degree program, is sitting in New Jersey, and you have all your colleagues from all these different countries and states. Because I was networking with a lot of my colleagues, I went back and started networking with different people at workplace and land myself a new job. It actually was a shift in rank, which also increased my salary. So I feel proud that these education that I got from Rutgers is now helping me in real life work experience. My name is Sadaf Bandukda, and I am a proud alumni of Rutgers Business School.